Hey there! Welcome to 14 Dolores Terrace. This is a beautiful, beautiful place on a nice quiet cul-de-sac, and yet at the same time you are only steps away from Dolores Park. Lots and lots of light in here. This is our great room. As you can tell, lots of light. These doors are closed shut so that you can have a separate room in the other one. Love the hardwood floors in here. We've got a second room here, just off of the kitchen, which can serve as a dining room. I'll just take a little walk around, and then you can see beautiful built-ins. There's also another closet right behind over here. Lots of space. We'll go ahead and step on into the kitchen. This kitchen is fantastic. Look at all the space in here. Gas stove, big, huge, enormous sink, lots and lots and lots of cabinet space, and still enough room that you could go ahead and have an additional little table in here. Nice big island, whatever you feel like. We've got a little bit of a balcony outside, so we'll just take a quick peek at that. And you can also get another little look at the kitchen from the other direction. So we've got a little bit of a balcony. This is a 2-floor apartment, so you do get the downstairs space as well. We've got a full bathroom upstairs. Really nice bathroom. Big huge tub off to the side. It's a nice little way to walk on up there, really cute. Everything's been newly painted, smells fantastic. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on downstairs. Really big, huge room here. Could serve as a family room if you like. Game room for the kids. This door leads over into the alley so that you can take the trash on out. We've got a laundry room. And another big, huge room here. Lots and lots of space. Tons and tons of closet space. Another full bathroom. And then we'll go and take a little peek outside. This leads right on out into the garden. That upstairs patio is just right above us. Lots of space for plants. Nice and quiet here too, which is really, really nice. Especially being so close to Dolores Park. You're also really close to Bayreuth, Tartine, which, you know, everybody loves going to Tartine. Lots and lots of restaurants around the area. Very, very walkable as well, which is great. There's another great big storage space here. We'll just take a nice peek into this. This would be fantastic as a wine cellar. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step all the way back upstairs. Get another nice look into the main room. Look at all that light. So thank you so much for joining us. Hope you can come by and see it soon. Bye.